We're at Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina. Today we're filming a 94 Toyota Land Cruiser KZJ73. Previous owner did some good work to it. We did the tires. These Mickey Thompsons, they ride great. I was impressed. I could tell a huge difference. I was the one that drove it to the tire shop. You know, they had good grip, good traction, major difference in overhaul just from the tires that were on it. And mainly the tires on it weren't worn out. They were just, I didn't like the style of them. So those, if you ever want to run a tire, I found them to be good quality with on-road traction. We haven't tried them off-road yet. Back to the car, not just the tires. So it has the 1KZ 3.0 liter turbo diesel 5-speed manual transmission. Previous owner did a clutch, pressure plate, throwout bearing, did all the bushings. We have photo documentation of that, rear main seal, and then a suspension lift on it. On the website we have some of the maintenance that we've done. Does have dual batteries. Does need a little bit of the seat fixed, but if you are interested in it, stuff like this we don't like to fix ahead of time, because if you might want the original fabric, we'll do as part of the price to replace just this area. Someone might want to reupholster the whole thing, so we can get it done for you. Sometimes we inlay vinyl right here that matches the edges, so the bolsters are a little bit stronger, and do both seats so it matches. All right, but in here you have a push button hub block, push button 4-wheel drive. You have a Thomson CD player with Bluetooth. That is high end. Rear wiper. You have rear defrost, little fog light switch. Down here you find your glow plugs, fuel door, hood release. You have tilt wheel, intermittent wipers, altimeter, your tilt meters. And then these have the upgraded front suspension seats too. You got power windows. Okay, we'll tilt this one forward so you can see the back seat. Headliner's in good shape. Carpets are in good shape. It is approaching a 30-year-old vehicle now. And then all around, normally they like to rest here on the rocker. This one's clean. And that's our goal when we're buying these. We try and find them in a dry climate, or that they've been well taken care of. They're not inflicted with rust. Owners, it seems to be easier on the Toyotas, because usually if you have a Toyota, you love the thing, and Toyota owners keep them longer. There are a lot of Toyotas though that get used like they're supposed to. So the good thing is they'll last a long time. So it's hard to find an old Hilux truck because they get used in good condition. They're usually beat on, but they're used in the field. So, which is a good thing. I mean, you should buy a car to use it and drive it. See, the doors are clean. They're in good condition. Does have a grill guard. I can't remember, yeah, this is the one with upgraded air horns. You can see those things in there. I think that's that magic push button switch. You have a light bar and some driving lights. So we'll fire her up here for you. So like I say, glow plug, make sure it's out of gear. These all start really well. I mean, it's they always keep good, at least all the ones we've had. Good fuel pressure, it starts easy. I have noticed a starting ability where this one has dual batteries. They do seem to start better with that extra amperage push to them. Great motor. I always enjoy driving these. You go over the road, they're comfortable. I do take them a distance. So let's see. Door lock, up, down, window. Vanity mirror, ashtray, center console. Somebody kept a bolt in there. That's your lower console, which it looks like that is one. We have your rear heater control. Right back here. Then there's your air horns. So always a fun feature, having air horns. Now we've let it warm up a little. Spools nicely. Parking brake works. Lights, you can see all your backlight works. We have fog light switch works. Brake off and on. Rear defrost. The rear wiper, you can see moving. Wiper, higher speed intermittent, high speed, and I'm sure our detail person will love me for that. Hazard switches are working. Tilt steering wheel. Oh, and the original horn works. So cool, you got an air horn and the original horn. Head block is engaged. Four-wheel drive. And I have my low range now. I can definitely feel it. And there you go, hub block, four-wheel drive engaged. We're in a low range, so went through everything. And we've driven this car. I know it goes through all the gears. We've taken it out on the open road. Like I said, they drive great, cool cars. Let's go under the hood. Ooh. There's the gas tank door. You can see the cable, it pops it there. And that's the fog light. And where are they hiding the light bar switch? That's the air horn. Oh, we got toggle. There's the toggle switch. Let's see if that gets us our lights up front. And that does not get us our lights up front. We'll have to look a little bit better. Like I said, dual batteries, they're new Bosch batteries. Access code, color code, access code, trim code, So we're actually in an enclosed building running a diesel. It's a big building, but you don't have any noxious fumes. Your rear lights, so you actually have a dummy light on the right side. That's a fog light up top, and then the lights are in the bumper. You can see the running lights are working. Some of the European wiring, they love hooking the front off-road lights into the high beams, which is not the case on this one. So we will have to see where. There we are. I found the right combo. I see a brightness over there. So toggle switch and high beams. All right, if you have any questions on this one, on some undercarriage photos, look at the service history, tech control, anything else, go ahead and let us know. We're in Aiken, South Carolina, Car Cave. My name's Chris. When you call, you'll get me or Jennifer. Looking forward to speaking to you.